This is your Weather Extreme video for Wednesday, June the 17th. I'm meteorologist Brian Peters. Thanks for tuning in. Lovely shot from the Birmingham Skycam of clear skies pretty much across central Alabama this morning. And we're pretty much stuck in this weather pattern with the high pressure system over the southeastern U.S. at both the surface and aloft. And that is helping to keep, of course, the tropical storm Bill, which is now a remnant low, becoming a tropical depression, but becoming a remnant low later today as it rotates around the western periphery of the high pressure area. Across central Alabama, temperatures in the lower 70s this morning once again. A few spots dipping into the upper 60s, but rather warmish, balmy kind of morning across central Alabama for this middle of June. The radar image over Texas shows the slow progress of the leftover of Tropical Storm Bill as it makes its way up across the north central Texas area. And on our watch warning map, you can see a couple of things. The green areas are the flash flood watches along the track of Bill, where we expect to see heavy rainfall. And then the orange areas over the southeast U.S. are heat advisories. Bill is expected to produce a good rainfall dose for parts of north central Texas, eastern Oklahoma, and across southern Missouri and into the Ohio River Valley over the next 5 days, with on the order of 4 to 6 inches of rain for those areas. Storm Prediction Center is outlooking slight risk areas over the Ohio River Valley and back across the eastern slopes of the Rockies for day one. That's today. And then for Thursday, pretty much a fairly similar pattern with a slight risk over the eastern Great Lakes and down into the Ohio River Valley, as well as back over the north central U.S. And except for Bill, the eastern Atlantic is now rather quiet. And Carlos continued to dissipate in the western, along the west coast of Mexico. All right, here's the 06Z GFS model run, and there is the remnants of Bill moving across north central Texas, bringing them a rather wet day. Then we see the remnants, the reflection of Bill as it moves across eastern Oklahoma on Thursday. And so once again, that's bringing rain to that area, parts of western Arkansas, eastern Oklahoma, southern Missouri. We see that open up into a wave as it finally gets caught in the westerlies and begins to move across the middle Mississippi River Valley on Friday. And by Saturday, it's moving by North Alabama and across the Ohio River Valley, and that should bring at least a little bit better chance north of I-20 for some clouds as well as some scattered showers. As we get into the end of the weekend, the ridge to our west becomes the big factor that will be influencing our weather as it develops and moves our way. We see that ridge building in on Monday, so the heat is going to be coming back with probably mid and upper 90s once again the first of next week. By Tuesday, we see that ridge bulging up into the central U.S. and over the southeastern U.S., and so that keeps us fairly dry with only just the threat of an isolated shower or two. And by the time we get out to a week from today, Wednesday, we see that ridge is the 24th of June, is well established over the southeast, and once again, the heat is up. Now, yesterday, the GFS was somewhat bullish on bringing a rather deep trough across the central and eastern U.S. It's still representing a trough, but not quite as bullish, so it doesn't look like we'll have as good a break in the heat as the charts promised us yesterday. That'll do it for the Weather Extreme video for this morning. I'll have the next one posted first thing on Thursday morning. In the meantime, stay tuned to the blog for notes on our ever-changing Alabama weather.